Do you want to be a good person? Do you want to be among the good persons? Allah knows your mind. Only Allah can make you a good person. Firstly, who is a good person? A good person is the one who follows the rules, don't break the laws, commit crimes, lies or cheat. Do you want Allah to change your habit to this? Say this dua, Allah will make you more than that. The dua is not hard and bulky, it is too easy. But the dua requires the mindset of doing it, place and the time of doing. The time for doing this dua is when you are doing prayer, no matter obligation or nafila praying. And the place for doing this dua is when you are in the last sujud of your prayer, after completing the dua of sujud. The dua is
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم
guide us to the straight path.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who you have evoked your anger, or of those who are astray. And this dua was authenticated by the scholars. If in doing this dua, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make you kind and gentle.